Welcome back to the Noble Courses YouTube channel, and in today's video we're going to be seeing how to create and use the AI assistant. Let's go ahead, let's get started. As always, open up Roblox Studio and let's choose the base plate for today. Once you have the base plate open, click on these. At the very top you have these small stars. That's the AI assistant. Click on it. And over here we can ask the assistant to basically do anything for us. The best part about this is you don't need to know how to code. It will do the code for you. It can also do the 3D models. It can create and generate different materials, all for us. The very first thing that I'm going to tell it, let's keep it simple. Create a part that spins. Let's give it a few seconds. In a few seconds, it's going to create the part for us. It's going to add the script to the part, and then it's going to start spinning. Let's click accept. Let's click play. Turn around, and there's a part. Perfect. Now we can make this bigger, longer, etc. because this is going to be just a normal spinning part. But we can even make this a bit cooler. And let's tell it generate 10 coin parts that when we touch them, they give us a coin in the leaderboard. Let's press enter. It's going to create 10 coins. As soon as we touch these 10 coins, we'll get some points in the leaderboard. Now, if you enjoyed these types of videos, make sure to like and subscribe. We'll be uploading plenty more videos very soon as well. Let's click accept. And let's go ahead, let's click play. Alright, so those are the coins. Alright, every time we collect one coin, it gives us 2 points. But the coins, they don't look the best. But then that's the part where you can go in Roblox Studio and fix them yourselves. There we go. Let's click on the coin, and then you can scale, you can rotate it, make it look more like a coin. There we go. Now, the next thing that I'm going to tell it to do, let's tell it to, let's give it an actual challenge. Create, let's tell it to do this. Change the base plate to look like a forest. We're going to try to replicate 99 nights in a forest. Good. Let's tell it to add. Alright, it added some trees for us. They don't look the best, but you can work on this. Added 50 total trees. Alright, we'll keep it like this. The next step is I'm going to tell it create an NPC that follows my player around the map. Now you can be a bit more specific, and we can tell it what type of NPC. It can be similar to a dog, it can be like a cat, a human, it can be a pirate, and it will do it. I just wrote create an NPC. Let's see what it can do. Follower NPC, and there it's doing it all for us. The best part, again, is you don't need to know how to code. It does all of it for you. So if I click play now, see? The NPC just keeps following me. Let's move on to the one more thing that we're going to do. Make a loop for the base plate. Every second it becomes red. Alright, let's do one more thing. I'm going to tell it, make a loop for the base plate at a random time between 1 and 10 seconds. The base plate turns red and eliminates the player if they touch it. Then it returns back to normal after 2 seconds. Alright. Oh, there we go. So at a random time between 1 and 10 seconds, the base player turns red and our player gets eliminated. Now if you are enjoying these type of videos, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you again in the next one.